The video that you're about to watch was recorded for World Environment Day 2018, which also took the theme of Beat Plastic Pollution. In this video, I looked at the options for reducing plastic waste when staying at hotels. So it may help you make decisions for your personal hotel stays and your hotel stays for business. I hope you enjoy it. Welcome to this video. Over 295 million hotel night stays occur every year in the UK. There's got to be opportunities to go plasticless in our hotel stays, whether for business or for pleasure. Let's have a look. When we look around a typical hotel bedroom, we find that many of the durable items, such as the radios, the televisions and the telephones, are all made of plastic. In a similar way that we found that most offices have equipment that is encased in plastic. More insidious is the toiletries that are provided in mid to high-end hotels, where small bottles of body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and even more intractable are the makeup wipes that not only are in a plastic pouch but also are plastic cloths themselves. Interestingly enough, in the more lower end to mid-range hotels, the toiletries are often provided in wall-mounted containers which can be used more than once. We can also see tea and coffee facilities are provided, and often the coffee is provided in plastic sealed pouches and the milk in little small pots. Each one of those can only be used once and are thrown away. Typically they're not easily recyclable. And finally, having breakfast in a hotel can easily be one of the most difficult plasticless challenges, where often you can find small little pouches of jam or Nutella or the much maligned Marmite in small little plastic pouches which are used once and then thrown away. Even more interestingly, some of the hotels I visited recently have larger pots of jam, marmalade or Nutella, as we can see in this picture. If you've been inspired by this video to go plasticless, why not try these great action points?